I am Shawn Ousley, your Realtor for the Shreveport Bossier City area. Every month, there's a list of things you should do to keep your home in top condition. Little maintenance tips. So here are your maintenance schedule for this month.
Here are your home maintenance tasks for February. 1. Inspect your roof for ice dams or damage from snow and ice. 2. Check for water leaks in basements or crawl spaces after winter storms. 3. Tighten loose cabinet handles, hinges, and knobs. 4. Test your sump pump to ensure it's ready for spring thawing. 5. Review and organize home documents, warranties, insurance policies. 6. Inspect caulking in grouted bathrooms and kitchens for cracks. 7. Check your fire extinguisher to ensure it's fully charged and accessible. 8. Clean ceiling fans and light fixtures to remove dust buildup.
And those are your maintenance tips for this month. My name is Shawn Ousley, your Realtor for the Shreveport Bossier City area. If you're looking to buy, sell, or find some investment property, feel free to give me a call. My number's right here. Have a great and wonderful day.